Public school one.
So many 12s.
Yes.
That's what I heard. Because of all the vet dogs. Like,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now this is not right. Now she's gonna take off. That was weird. I wonder if she broke her stay and then was like, uh-oh.
That's what the reaction was.
That was funny. I don't think I'm supposed to be here right now.
16, take your time, don't worry about it. It's been open for a long time. That's fine. Run your dog, come walk when you're boring. Yeah.
Oh, she needed that second push. Yeah.
No, I think